Hi, folks. Hi, Sahana Sundar is back again with a beautiful story on grit and determination. Padma Shri awardee Salumarda Timmakka lived all her life knowing her life's goal and has worked relentlessly for decades towards it. There is a famous Japan's island Okinawa, which is known for people living a long life with many people going beyond 100 years. One of the reasons for their longevity is their connection with nature. Salumarda Timmakka's age is more than 100 years, but her passion for nature and the environment is beyond just words. If Japan has Okinawa, India has Salumarda Timmakka. Salumarda Timmakka was born in Gubbi Taluku, Tumkuru district in Karnataka, and worked as a laborer and did not get any formal education. She was married to Chikkaya, a native of Hulikal village in the Magadi Taluk of Ramnagar district in Karnataka. But the couple could not conceive even after 25 years of their marriage. Instead of cursing their life or fate, the couple tried to fill the loneliness by planting and tending banyan trees as their own children. She lost her husband in 1991, but the tragedy could not deviate her from the selfless work. Lately, she adopted a son named Umesh. It is said that Timmakka began to plant banyan trees in place of kids. She and her great afforestation project remained unknown until she received the National Citizens Award in 1996. She is popularly known as the Mother of Trees or Vrikshamata. She was awarded the country's fourth highest civilian award for her tireless effort to make the planet green. The other prestigious awards include Nadoja Award, Karnataka Kalpavalli Award, Godfrey Philip Award, and Vishwanathama Award. In 2019, she was blessed with Padma Shri by the President of India, Ramnath Kovind. After receiving her award, she planted a sapling at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Timmakka is an environmentalist from Karnataka and popularly recognized for planting and tending 385 banyan trees along the 4-kilometer highway stretch between Hulikal and Kudur village near her husband's hometown in Tumkuru district. Timmakka has also played a crucial role in constructing a water tank to store rainwater in her village. She dreams of constructing a hospital. For planting 8,000 trees in 80 years, she became the oldest person to achieve a position and feature on the list. She lives a normal life, but she is not an ordinary woman. She planted and nurtured 384 banyan trees lined in a 5-kilometer stretch nearly 80 km from Bangalore. Salumarda Timmakka says that though her home is flooded with certificates, cups, garlands, and fame, she still lives in poverty. She says people and organizations honor her with various awards, but nobody gives her money. Salumarda Timmakka represents the resilience, determination, and perseverance of ordinary women in our country. May her example inspire millions of people. She reportedly wanted to commit suicide in her 40s as she could not conceive, but she found solace in planting trees with the support of her husband. From 10 plants in the first year, they kept planting more saplings in the later years, sometimes also bringing water from over 4 kilometers for their plants. Salumarda Timmakka, it is indeed an overwhelming moment for me to share about the legend Timmakkas who has marked her presence in society through her noble deeds. Remember, just like human beings plant trees, also have a life and they need to be cared for and nurtured, but that's lacking these days. Plant 4 to 5 trees a year in your area so that everyone gets a chance to breathe clean air and also have a green atmosphere. We need to follow her footsteps, who without any education has brought a change in making society clean and green. It's time for a clean and green environment. Hope you like this story Tomorrow I'll be back with another beautiful story. Till then, goodbye.